So children, in polynomials, still know what we discuss. We discuss splitting of the middle term, and if alpha and beta are given, how to frame the equations. Long division method basic sums we have studied. After studying long division method basic sums, if two roots are given, how to find out other roots I told. Then yesterday I was telling, if condition is given like alpha plus beta minus alpha beta, how to evaluate it. Evaluation I told. Now next topic is what must be subtracted or added. What must be subtracted or added? Open the link in the description, children. It is there. Okay, very easy sums. I will tell the basic concept, children. Remaining all sums also same. Basic concept I will tell children. Please listen. Basic concept goes like this. See here, all of you, please open the link in the description. First sum. What must be added? Okay, children. 2x to the power of 4 plus 2x3 minus 2x2 plus x minus 1 so that it is divisible by x square plus 2x minus 3. This is the question. What must be added to this? What we should add so that it is exactly divisible by this number? That is the question. So you will get some remainder, no children. That remainder you should subtract. Why? I will show you. Please see, children. Please see, children, all of you. There is a small link here. First, you let me do the division. X4 by x square is x square, children. X square into x square, x4. X square into 2x is 2x cubed, children, all of you see. X square into minus 3 is minus 3x square. Please see here, all of you, minus plus. This gone. Plus x square plus x minus 1. X square by x square is 1, children. 1 into x square is x square. 1 into 2x is 2x. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. This is minus this plus is gone. Minus x plus 2. Minus x plus 2. Okay, now, this minus x plus 2 you got, my children. So, plus x minus 2 should be added. Why is, I will show you. Try to understand, children. You got remainder how much, children? Remainder how much you got? Minus x plus 2, no? So, you change the sign. Plus x minus 2 should be added. If suppose question is what should be subtracted? Same as it is should be subtracted. But what must be added means change the signs and write. Then you will get doubt. Why, sir? Why like that? I will show you. Why like that? I will show you. Just remember, what should be added means you should change the signs of a remainder. What should be subtracted means you need not to change. If this question was what should be subtracted, then minus x plus 2 should be subtracted. That's all. But what should be added means you have to say minus x plus 2 means plus x minus 2 should be added. Why? Now why means I will show you. In see here. Okay. Why means why the question why. Now I will answer. Children. See here. Why is we know a is equal to bq plus r. Okay. What is a, children, here? X to the power of 4, 2x3 minus 2x square plus x minus 1. Okay, children. To this, please now mute your audio devices. I told so many times. Yeah. To this, I said you change the signs. If you change the signs, what is coming? Plus x minus 2. If you put this, what you will get? X4 plus 2x3 minus 2x square. X plus x plus 2x minus 3 is coming. Okay, children? Now, this equation, you divide with this and see. This equation, you divide with this and see, children. Okay? Exactly, you get 0 remainder. If you are getting 0 remainder, it is divisible, no? Okay? So, if what should be added is the question, you should change the sign. If what should be added, then we should change the signs. Okay, children? You are able to understand? You should change the signs. Then only you get what should be added. But what should be subtracted means directly remove that only, children. Both I will show. Remaining all you do, children. Both I will show. Now, for this equation, I will divide with this. Whether we are getting 0 or not, we will see. This equation, I will divide with this. Okay, children, please see here. Okay, what was our remainder, children? Minus x plus 2. Please see, children, all of you. Okay, now with this equation, I will divide. I will get 0. What is the question? What should be added? No, I added. What I added? Change your signs. I added. Change your signs. When I added, I got this equation. All of you, please see, children. Everyone. I hope everyone has seen. Children, very easy sums. If you remember the funda, simple, children. All are very simple. Now, please see here, children. What is the question? X4 plus 2x3 minus 2x2 plus 2x minus 3. Now I should get 0. What should be added to make it 0? No, I added. Remainder I added, no, by changing the signs. I added remainder by changing the signs. I will get 0. See here, x4 by x2, x2. x2 into x2, x4. x2 into plus 2x, plus 2x. x2 into minus 3, minus 3x square. Please see children, minus minus plus. Gone, gone. X square plus 2x minus 3. X square by x square is how much children? 1. 1 into x square, x square. 1 into 2x, 2x. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. Please see children. Gone, gone, gone. 0. Yes. That is only question, no? To this, what we should add to make it perfectly divisible by this. When it is perfectly divisible, if you get 0, you got it over. That's what is the question I'm saying. Okay. Okay. This is what should be added. Same question, what should be subtracted also I will show children. What should be subtracted? What was our remainder? Our remainder was minus x plus 2. What was our original question? Original question is x4, 2x3 minus 2x2 plus x minus 1. Suppose I was getting in, minus x plus 2 as remainder, no? Directly you subtract. Directly subtract means minus x plus 2. You directly subtract. That's all. Directly should have. Directly subtract children. Minus x plus 2. You should subtract directly. I'm sorry. What should be subtract means minus x plus 2. Directly subtract children. Okay. What must be added means you should change the signs. What should be subtracted means this as it is remainder you subtract directly. So what you will get? x4 plus 2x3 minus 2x2 plus x minus 1 plus x minus 2. Now see children, x4 plus 2x3 minus 2x2 plus 2x minus 3. That only we got. No? Please see here children, that only. So children, I want to say, remember very, very carefully. Very, very carefully. When they ask what should be added to make it divisible perfectly means remainder signs you should change and you add it. Suppose what should be subtracted if they ask? Remainder signs don't change but subtract. On subtraction anyway it will change. But subtract. So this is the question children. All sums are same. Okay. So what should be added means remainder signs you should change. I got what children? I got minus x plus 2. No? You should say we should add plus x minus 2. What do you say? We should add. You should write that statement. We should add plus x minus 2. You should mention that statement. If you don't mention children, gone. And what should be subtracted means directly you should say minus x plus 2 should be subtracted over. What should be added means you should say plus x minus 2 should be added. Plus x minus 2 should be added. You should write that statement because by saying that statement only we will understand. We will conclude that whether you understood the sum or not. Okay, children, you want one more sum or is it enough, children? Shall I say one more sum or is it enough? Please tell me, anyone. You want one more sum?
One sum you say, sir. Next sum.
Okay, one more sum. Okay, same everywhere, but I will say one more sum. Please mute your audio devices, children. One more sum. So what should be subtracted means don't change the signs. What should be added means change the sign. Second sum, children. Second sign is what should be subtracted. Question, whatever it may be, but what should be subtracted means no need to change the signs. Okay. What should be subtracted from x4 plus 2x3 minus 2x2 plus x minus one second. Very question. Plus 2x cube minus 13x square. Minus 13x square minus 12x plus 21 so that it is exactly divisible by x square minus 4x plus 3. What should be subtracted is the question. Okay, whatever may be the question, first let us do the sum. x4 by x square is x square, children. X square into x square is x4. X square into minus 4x is minus 4x cube. X square into plus 3 is plus 3x square. I hope you are able to understand. Minus plus minus. This is gone, children. 6x cube minus 16x square minus 12x. 6x cube by x square is 6x, children. Just 6x. So 6x into x square is 6x cube. 6x into minus 4 is minus 24x square. 6x into plus 3 is plus 18x. Minus plus minus gone, children. So plus 8x square minus 30x plus 21. No talking. 8x square by 8x means plus 8, children. 8 into x square, 8x square, 8 4s are minus 32x, everyone should listen, and 8 3s are 24. Please see that you're copying, don't sit idle. If you sit idle, you won't understand anything. So 2x minus 3. This should be subtracted. Directly you should write statement 2x minus 3 should be subtracted. Should be subtracted. When you subtract, what happens? x4 plus 2x3 minus 13x square minus 12x plus 21. 2x minus 3 should be subtracted. If you subtract, what happens? x4 plus 2x3 minus 13x square minus 12x plus 21 minus 2x plus 3. x4 plus 2x3 minus 13x minus 14x plus 24 will come. Okay, children, that you should divide and you'll get 0. Shall I show division again to get the 0? No need, children. Shall I show this division again? You'll get 0.
No, sir.
Okay, children, thank you so much. So, children, remember all of you again. I'm saying what should be subtracted means directly subtract minus. What should be added means here plus only, but this sign should be changed. What should be added means what you will write, children? Minus 2x plus 3 should be added. Again, I'm saying minus 2x plus 3 should be added. What should be added means minus 2x plus 3 should be added. What should be subtracted means directly you should subtract. That's all. Okay, this is one of the important question in 9th class also I told. In 10th class again I'm saying these questions won't be there in textbook, children, but you should practice this type of sums in polynomials because in board exams 2 times 3 times they have given. You can't say that is not in the textbook, I don't know, I won't follow, means that is not like that. They assume that you should know all these basic concepts. It's there in 9th class and in 10th class polynomials also. Basic means it is basic knowledge, that's all. Basic knowledge, how we are subtracting, how we are adding the remainder. In remainder theorem in 9th class I told in polynomials lesson, in remainder theorem, all these things. Anyway, this is also coming in board exams, children, you should know. Again, last time I'm changing children, what should be added is change the signs. What should be subtracted means don't change the signs. And compulsory, remember, you have to show the verification in the exam. Means second one also you have to divide and show. If the change in equation, you should divide and show again. You should divide and show. Okay. That's it, children. Thank you so much. A link is in the description. Try to do remaining sums on your own. If you get any doubts, you ask me. Thank you.